Now let's write a program to check whether the given character is an uppercase or lowercase or not an alphabet. Okay, we'll check for these three cases. So here, if I want to say whether the given character is an uppercase, it should be greater than or equal to a, greater than or equal to a, and less than or equal to capital Z. Only then I can say that it is an uppercase. When can I say it is a lowercase? If it is greater than or equal to small a and less than or equal to small z, I can say that it is a lowercase. If it is not matching any of these cases, then I can say that it is not an alphabet. This is the logic. This can also deal with numbers also. How come we can deal with numbers in the sense? With ASCII values. Each and every character has an ASCII value. Here the ASCII value of capital A is 65. So if the value is greater than or equal to 65 and less than or equal to 90, we can say that it is an uppercase. The ASCII value of capital A is 65 and the ASCII value of capital Z is 90. That is by this condition. Now let's go for lowercase. The ASCII value of lowercase a is 97 and lowercase z is 122, less than or equal to 122. If it is not matching any of the cases, then we can say that it is not an alphabet. Now let's go for the program. Now let's write the program for this. We'll start with preprocessor directive #include stdio.h. The execution starts from the main function int main. Let me get the character value from the user, before which I'll declare a variable character ch. Let me get the input value from the user, scanf. I'm going to get a character, so the format specifier is %c, &ch. Fine. Now I want to check whether it is an uppercase or not. How come I can know? If ch is greater than or equal to uppercase a. So character should always be given in single quotes. And ch is less than or equal to capital Z. If this is the case, I can say that it is an uppercase. I can give print of uppercase. Else if. What if the condition is not true? If the condition is not true, it is not an uppercase. So there can be a possibility of lowercase or not an alphabet. So let me check for the lowercase. ch greater than or equal to lowercase a and ch less than or equal to lowercase z. If it satisfies this condition, I can say that it is a lowercase. If it is not matching these two cases, then for sure I can say that it is not an alphabet. So I can give print of not an alphabet. Let me give return 0. Let me execute the code. See, I'll give it as small b. It is printing it as lowercase. Let me run the code once again. I'm going to give the input value as t. It is giving me an uppercase. Now I'll try to give a number. It is giving not an alphabet. Fine. Now I'm going to give it as a special character. I'll give exclamatory. It is giving not an alphabet. In case if you want to include, change the program as uppercase, lowercase or digit. So if it is not matching any of the cases, you can say that special character I can give. Digit or special character. I want to change the program in this way. If it is an uppercase, I can go for this. If it is lowercase, I can go for this. Now I want to go for a digit. So it starts from 0. Okay. So I'll give else if ch is greater than or equal to, the digit is 0. I can give 0 as also a character. So and ch less than or equal to 9. In this case, I can say that it is a digit. Print of digit. Else I can say that special character. That's all. Let me save this and let me run the code. Let me give 8. So 8 is a digit. And I'll give at the rate, it is a special character. As I mentioned already, here we can also deal with numbers. So instead of character, I can give the ASCII value also. If CH is greater than or equal to 65 and CH is less than or equal to 90, the ASCII value of capital A is 65 and the ASCII value of capital Z is 90. That is why I am giving the ASCII values instead of the character. Now for lowercase, what is the character I can give? It is 97 and 122. Even this works. Even for digits, we have ASCII values. The ASCII value of 0 is 48 and for 9 it is 57. Sorry, 57. Okay, each and every character has an ASCII value. Now let me save this code and let me run the code. I'll give A. See, I've got lowercase. How come I have got lowercase? I have given the character A. So whenever you are giving the input value of character, and if you are trying to compare with an integer, the ASCII value of that character will be compared. So here I have given the input value as lowercase a. Okay, what happens in the sense lowercase a? So ch is the character that I have given as the input value. Here we are comparing with an integer. When we are comparing the character value with an integer, automatically the character will be converted as a integer value. That will take its ASCII value. So ASCII value of lowercase a is 97. 97 greater than or equal to 65. Condition becomes false. I will not go inside this if condition. I will go for this case. 97 greater than or equal to 97. Yes, condition is true. And 97 less than or equal to 122. Yes, the condition is true. It satisfies this case. So automatically it goes inside this if and it prints it as lowercase. That is why I have got the output value as lowercase. That's all.